Hi everyone, welcome to another healthy cooking recipe. Tonight I will share with you all a spinach egg casserole recipe that's not just delicious but also healthy as it's low in carb and keto friendly, therefore an ideal recipe for weight loss. And friends, no matter what kind of healthy eating plan you follow, spinach and eggs are superfoods. Spinach are nutrient dense and eggs are loaded with protein, healthy fats with almost zero carbs, making this a healthy recipe for Weight Watchers. So let's get started with this amazing recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken some chopped spinach, 2 large garlic pods which has been roughly chopped, and some chopped onions. And now I will slightly saute them so that the raw taste of spinach goes away. For that I will heat a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add the chopped garlic as well as the chopped onions. And on medium flame, we will saute them until they turn translucent and aromatic. And now into this, we will add the chopped spinach. On medium flame, we will saute the spinach for a minute or so until it releases its moisture. And now we'll quickly season it with a pinch of salt as per taste and a pinch of black pepper. We'll mix this well and saute the spinach for a few seconds. And this is done now. We'll transfer the spinach into a bowl and allow this to cool down slightly. Next, here in this bowl I have taken 4 eggs. You can include eggs and spinach as per your preference or the portion you are making. And into this I will add a splash of milk to make the egg mixture more fluffy. We'll now season the egg mixture with some salt and black pepper as per taste. And now we need to whisk the eggs well. And now into this I will add a teaspoon of Italian spice mix or mixed herbs and half teaspoon of chili flakes. We'll mix this well one more time. And once the seasonings are well combined, we will add the spinach sauteed with onion and garlic. And along with this, I'll also include some spring onions. We'll mix this well one more time. And our egg spinach mixture is ready. Next, we'll take an oven-safe dish and grease it with some oil. And into this, we will pour the egg spinach mixture. Now, if you love cheese, you can add some cheese on top. I'm adding here some grated processed cheese as well as mozzarella cheese, which will make our casserole even more amazing. But if you're not a big fan of cheese, then you can skip it also. The choice is yours. And now in a preheated oven, we need to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, our egg spinach casserole is ready. Baked golden brown to perfection and is now ready to be served hot. And here you can see a slice of our egg spinach casserole, which is not just healthy but delicious too. So friends, I hope you will try this low carb keto friendly spinach egg casserole and include in your weight loss diet. Also, you can check out my other healthy recipes and do let me know in the comment section how you liked my today's recipe. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.